August 15th in Kuala Lumpur, a night where the city's skyline became a dynamic digital canvas. Taking off from Bursa, Malaysia, we pushed our drone upwards, climbing from 100 meters all the way to 350 meters above the ground. Up here, the vantage point opens up completely, putting us right in front of one of Southeast Asia's most iconic telecommunication landmarks, Menara Kuala Lumpur. Framed against the night sky, the KL Tower hosted an incredible light display featuring animated emoji formations floating right alongside the spire. Flying from this distance gave us an unobstructed wide-angle view of the precision involved, watching hundreds of synchronized LEDs shift colors and patterns to bring giant expressions to life in mid-air. Beyond the spectacle, framing this show next to KL Tower really highlights the incredible contrast between classic Malaysian architecture and modern technology. Standing at 421 meters, Menara KL sits atop Bukit Nanas, a natural forest reserve right in the heart of the capital. Completed in 1996, its design blends Islamic architectural motifs such as Islamic geometric patterns and Muqarnas vaulting on the tower head, symbolizing Malaysia's cultural heritage and rapid modernization. When you rise to 350 meters, you get a full view of how Kuala Lumpur's architectural narrative has evolved. From the classic silhouette of KL Tower to the record-breaking height of Merdeka 118 and the gleaming Petronas Twin Towers, this skyline tells a story of constant transformation and ambitious engineering. Seeing hundreds of tiny glowing aircraft forming giant faces in mid-air makes you realize how far this technology has come. Drone light shows aren't just a recent novelty. Their history traces back to around 2012, when early pioneers first demonstrated synchronized multi-drone flight along the Danube River in Austria. Things exploded around 2015 when tech giants began developing specialized swarm algorithms. Drones went from carrying basic single-color LEDs to acting like giant, physical pixels in a 3D canvas. Suddenly, the sky wasn't just a backdrop, it became a programmable display. Today, drone shows are revolutionizing live entertainment. Globally, cities and event organizers are increasingly choosing drone swarms over traditional fireworks. Why? Drones offer zero air pollution, zero physical debris, and no deafening explosions that disturb pets or local wildlife. More importantly, drones offer storytelling precision that fireworks could never match. Today's trends go way beyond simple shapes. We're seeing multi-layered 3D animations, real-time AI flight tracking, and even hybrid shows combining pyro drones with lasers. Floating dynamic visuals like these emojis give events an instantly viral digital edge. Hosting this high-tech display next to KL Tower creates a fascinating contrast. Standing at 421 meters atop Bukit Nanas, Menara KL has been a proud symbol of Malaysia's development since 1996. Its design seamlessly integrates traditional Islamic motifs, like geometric patterns, and Muqarnas vaulting with modern telecommunication engineering. Framing this legacy tower alongside modern swarm technology captures the true spirit of Kuala Lumpur, a city deeply rooted in its heritage, yet always pushing forward into the future alongside architectural giants like Merdeka 118 and the Petronas Twin Towers. Capturing this fusion of technology and architecture from 350 meters up was an incredible experience. If you enjoyed this flight, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to STYFLY Studio, and tell us in the comments what destination we should fly next. Clear skies and see you in the next upload.